How to turn on or turn off Grammarly Assistant Generative AI on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, look for the Grammarly app and open it. Then go into settings. So in here, go down and tap on settings. Then tap on Generative AI. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now you can also access these settings from the accessibility menu. So swipe down at the top, then tap on settings. Then we scroll down and tap on accessibility, and then tap on install apps. Then tap on Grammarly Writing Assistant, and then tap on settings, and then tap on Generative AI. And that's it. Finally, tap on the toggle button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.